Hello guys, today I am working on making a nail, little something different. I've recorded a couple times, so I've started it already, but the video abruptly stopped at like 2 minutes of recording. I don't know why. I've been working on my bike, I have a parts list over there. Sorry that I'm not showing you the parts list. I've been working on it. It has motor, brakes, throttle control, seat, wiring, and then I have to add on gearbox. But also the dude that disliked my video on the last one, comment, because I'd like to see what you saw wrong or you don't like. So tell me, because I want to try and fix it. So I'm gonna set you down, face you towards the forge. I can't record videos past 20-some minutes, so I'm gonna set you up so you can see all my gear. Me working. Hello, hola. I've already started out. I'll make another one here in a second. But voila, nail. So I'm gonna take it up against the edge. Flatten it out. Grab a pair of pliers. Where did I set those down? There they are. Grab a pair of pliers. Why won't you close? Thank you. And take that off. And then sit it on the pulling rack. And I'll show you that here in a minute. So that's a finished one. I'm going to start one from scratch here. But I've recorded a lot of videos. For some reason they wouldn't take, so I'm going to have to delete a couple. I'll make some more. But what I had done was, let me go grab them. They're not cool. They are still, indeed, very hot still. So, what I'm going to do is kind of like how, oh, that voice crack was very bad. What I'm going to do is kind of how I started off the hooks that I made in the last video. I'm going to square it off. I have squared it off. I know it's kind of obvious, judging the name, but the nail's going to be square. I know, you're probably like, hey, why don't you make a circle one like all the hardware stores? Because I'm not like hardware stores. The only reason I don't use my own nails is because when I need nails, I need long ones. And when I make homemade long ones, they don't really stand a chance when I go to use them. I don't know. The shorter nails work because there's less distance or stuff to bend. Because, like, here, this is an example. See this one? Sit there. Take it over the edge. It's a little thicker, but it's longer, and it bent easier. I don't know what I'm saying. I've lost my track. To be honest with you, they bent kind of the same. I don't know, I just like smaller hooks then. Because this is, I don't know. Sometimes smaller is better. And the big ones are hard and tough to make because you have to make sure that it doesn't bend or other stuff when you're hammering it. So yeah, the longer they are, the more they bend. Yeah, that's what I was saying is true, because when you forge them, after it gets to a certain temperature, they start to warp, sit that down. And smaller is easier to keep in one shape because you have less material to worry about. So let's start making that point real quick. Because we gotta come to a decision on, well, I guess I should cut to the point. And that joke that I made earlier, which the adults will get, the kids won't. Because no, I don't care. The AI that YouTube uses won't detect a thing. Watch, this recording has all been deleted already. Also, what do you guys think of my shirt? This is a birthday present from one of my family members. Because I'm a gun guy. I don't know. Pause it, read it. I love guns. America. America was founded on muskets. All that crap. If you don't like that stuff, that ain't the channel for you. So now you can see the hook, or the nail, that we've done. So we're going to take it, screw it, I'll put it back in here and I'll find my punch. That's probably copyrighted. Dang it. There it is. It's a small one, but it's a punch. Screw it. Get in there. I'm not used to this one yet, so I still have to shape it for it. But it'll come out, I promise you that. So we're going to go through, we're going to find where we want to cut the nail, and, well, cut it. So now that it's found its resting place, we're going to hammer till you see it start getting cold. Which you can see right there is the metal getting cold. We're going to flatten it back out into the spot that it was. That was another terrible voice crack. And then boom, you have your nail. And it is hot in here. So I'm going to sit this down outside in the grass to cool. And I'm going to turn the porch off. Now that that's off, I can probably turn off my fan, which is battery powered. So I'll set this new one up on the cooling rack. And this one here is the one that I made a little while ago. It's still pretty warm, but it's just a nail. I mean, there's no way to really explain it. Hold things on walls and stuff. I'm going to grab this. See if we're still recording. Huh, okay. Felt like that took longer than 9 minutes, but it is only a hook and it's simple. But yes, The dude that has disliked my videos, that was another terrible voice crack. The dude that disliked my videos, will you tell me why you don't like it, and I'll see if I can fix it. And if you're just someone that doesn't think I should be blacksmithing, I mean, it's kind of too late. I already put the money into it, so I don't think I'm gonna stop, if that's it. And I don't mean to sound rude, but it's just, I've had people say that, like, all the time. They tell me, you're too young to be forging. You're too young to be welding. It's just, kind of have enough of it. So if that's what your problem is, this ain't the channel for you, because you're not going to like it. Man, what did I touch? Yeah, it's covered in soot. A couple pieces of metal flew through my, and down my glove, got me pretty good. Woo, yeah, they did. I did not mean to drop that. Set that over there. But if you can see, burnt me right there and right there. Oh no, not the worst casualties I've had. So I think I'm going to let you guys go. I think I might show you my light setup. It's not the best, but it's solar. And after that, I don't know, let's snag you off of this charging cable. Hi, how's it going? Alright, so there's my light. It's not the brightest, but when I'm out here working in the dark, it works. I have the wiring go all the way through there and out through that corner. You can see that gonna come up and outside, and boom, solar panel. And proof that I have no power is I'm in the backyard, so yeah, no power. And as you can see, there's no outlets or anything, and yes, I know it's a mess. I just finished moving in here a couple weeks ago, and it's been too hot to come out here and do stuff. But I don't know how well you guys will see me here. I think, excuse me. I think I'm gonna call it today. Set these down. Y'all have a wonderful day. Don't let anybody bring it down.